Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make simple hummus using canned chickpeas. 5 minutes max to make this hummus, and it is delicious and creamy and perfect for a snack or an appetizer or a kid's lunch at school. I mean, hummus, it's everywhere, every store, every variety, but to make it yourself, it's always going to be better. All you need is a few ingredients. I have 2 cans of organic chickpeas. You don't have to use organic. You don't even have to use 2. You might want to cut this recipe in half. I've got sour cream, lemon juice. It's bottled. You can use fresh lemons, dried cumin, salt, pepper, and then after we blend it, I've got some seasonings to go on the top. I've got some garlic and parsley, paprika, Mrs. Dash onion and herb, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. And I like to do hummus in the blender. I find it comes out creamier than in the food processor, and creamy hummus is awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Reserve the liquid from 1 can of the chickpeas because sometimes you need it for a little extra creaminess. Okay, so we strain and pop in the blender. Save that in case we need it. I'm gonna do this one over the sink. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of the lemon juice. Third a cup of sour cream. I think it's the secret ingredient. You could use tahini paste, which is sesame seed paste, which makes it a little more authentic, but I prefer it with sour cream. So if you want to go with me on this one, I think you're gonna like it. So salt, we're gonna do 1.5 teaspoons. I didn't mention garlic earlier, did I? I have 4 cloves of peeled garlic. Boom. Black pepper, a few shakes of that. 1/2 teaspoon of dried cumin. Cumin. Tomato. That's it. Now I usually know that I'm gonna need some of the liquid, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour in maybe 1/4 cup. Okay, so it goes in the blender, lid on nice and tight, and go. A little more liquid. Okay, so it looks really nice and creamy. That's why I like the blender better. You have to mess with it a little bit. Keep taking a spoon and helping get it into those blades and get it nice and creamy. I used all of the reserved liquid from 1 can. So it is done. Talk about a simple, delicious, healthy appetizer snack. Smells magnificent. And let's see, organic chickpeas. Did you know 1/2 cup of chickpeas has 10 grams of protein? Everybody thinks you need meat for protein and you really don't. That's impressive, 10 grams. So a protein-packed snack. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna get this into a bowl and then we're gonna top it up. So we're gonna just drizzle some olive oil on the top of this, okay? A couple teaspoons of that. And then we're gonna sprinkle some paprika. We're gonna go with 1/2 teaspoon on these spices, okay? I usually eyeball, but I'm measuring so that you guys know how much to use. And so we'll do Mrs. Dash onion and herb, 1/2 teaspoon sprinkled all over the top. Changes the whole flavor. 1/2 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. And then I have the garlic and parsley, which has a great flavor to it. And we'll do 1/2 teaspoon of that as well. And my, oh my, that looks marvelous. I think I should taste it. All right. I've got a breadstick I made last night. Wow. Holy cow, that is tasty. What a tasty, tasty, tasty little treat. So get busy, make some hummus. Please comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, okay guys?